Yeah, first, congratulations for this victory. So tell us your final because you dominated the entire race.
Yeah, thank you. I really was dominate. Just in the quali, I was lose not too much for Valerio. I did the second place. After in the heats, we did a very good race. In the pre-final, in the first lap, Iskandari Sebastian was overtake me, and after we finished first and second. Now in the final, after the start, the whole race was so close. Sebastian was really fast, Valerio also. In the first lap, when Sebastian was catch me, I started to be close, and it's working. It worked because Valerio was calm, overtake Sebastian, and I did a gap to the Valerio. I had a few laps for go away from that. After Valerio catch me again, and I also started to be close. In the one time, he also started to be close, and I did a big gap. It was the 2 laps to the finish, and I finished the first. I'm so happy. Thank you for everyone.
I think the key point of this race was where the first laps of the race, the great defense to Sebastian, to Valerio, and the gap in the second part of the race.
It was so close. Also the second part, because in the first part after the start, I did a little bit gap,
Okay.
and after everyone was catch me, and it was so close.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.